the soft cushion things, the aluminium ones with the glass table.
These are sort of the wooden with cloth inserts, you know. I'm going to throw them out of that one.
Oh, no worries. Nah, I've got enough stuff as it is. Thanks heaps, though.
No worries.
Bothered. Rip my seatbelt off to take it off. Not a jumper, a bloody work shirt.
Might be doing a BWS myself, later.
Right. Don't know what I'm going to drink until I see the specials.